As you can see here, I have two drives, D and E. Those are basically one disk, just split into two partitions. What I want to do is delete the E drive and extend the D drive. But before I start, I want to create a backup of everything I have on my E drive. I am creating a new folder on my D drive, and I'm moving all my files from the E drive into that new folder. You can see that my E drive is now empty and is ready to be deleted. And now, here's what you need to do. Right-click the Start button and click Disk Management. Here you can see that I have two disks. One has my C drive and the other one has the D and the E drives. Right-click the drive that you would like to delete and click Delete Volume. You will then see a warning saying that deleting the volume will erase all data on it. Please make sure you are deleting the right one before you actually do it. After verifying, click Yes. Now that we've made some space, let's extend the D drive. Right-click the drive and choose Extend Volume. Now click Next, and Next again, and then Finish. To see the new size, let's click the Explorer window and press F5 to refresh. If you want to do the opposite, shrink the volume and create a new one from the empty space, follow these steps. Right-click the volume and click Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space to shrink. This will be the size of your new volume. Clicking the Shrink button will close the window and shrink your volume. Now you can use the unallocated space to create a new volume. Right-click, New Simple Volume, click Next, verify the size and click Next, click Next after choosing a drive letter, name the volume and click Next, click Finish. The size of the volume has changed and the new volume has been created. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.